Teddy Bear Lorena.
And I'm Puppy Sky.
And we're best friends. You are good. You're such a good friend.
No, you are.
No, you are.
We're both good friends.
Oh, you're so nice.
Thank you to the end. We bought each other presents.
What little presents?
Oh, look what I bought you. I bought you this marker. Draw a star on my face. And I'll draw a heart on yours. Pretty. Oh my God! What is this? It's all the freedom. Oh yeah. We're best of the best of friends, and we're happy. Oh yeah. We're awesome. It's cool. We are. There's candy in here. Oh God. Ow. Oh my God, let's take pictures! Yeah! Take my picture! Okay. Okay, now I can take a picture. Okay. Our rentals can only be like so long, so this will probably be continued. We're not the friends.
Yeah, this will be.
You guys still have like 100 seconds left. 10.
This will be continued. But for real, that's just fun to make another video at midnight. But for now, if you ever do only videos, that's so much.
99.
We only have so what?
99. 96. 95.
Okay. Well, we only have so much time and so much energy.
So thank you. Thank you.
Now we gotta sing goodbye songs.
No, dude, you guys play with Wendy. Here. Hold the camera.
There's no time to play with Wendy.
Yeah, there is.
There's only 82 seconds. In the meantime, you can look at my awesome face.
Okay. This will be
This is our first time seeing each other in like, oh, it's a hamster! Can I hold it?
Yeah.
It's cute!
Way better than Theodore.
It's a dwarf!
You guys still have like 30 seconds left.
30 seconds, we gotta sing our song!
No, I mean 60 seconds.
Where's the song at anyway?
Don't.
Okay. Put that right here. Are you videotaping us?
Yeah.
Can you see my face? Oh, you're doing do it! Oh my God! I don't know what she's doing! Help! 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 What's she doing? Is she peeing?
No.
She's looking at I'm not in the camera shot.
Okay, well.
25 seconds!
Give it.
Okay, ready? Goodbye! Goodbye! Miss you!